Hey folks, Iannaccone here. I'll take a look at number 7 pretty quick. And the reason I want to look at it is you see that it's the fractions here, and then the variable x is in the bottom. It can be in the bottom, that's fine. It just freaks people out because it's not usually in the denominator, but it is. So you treat it like every other thing in the denominator. See, I'm explaining what I'm saying right now. If that would have been a number, let's look on the previous problem. So here's one in the last video. You see there's a number in the denominator. Well, look what I did. I multiplied by the same number, and it cancels, which is nice. And then multiply the same number over there. So exact same strategy. It's just now it's a variable. Well, we can do that. So just multiply the left side by x, and you see that that's going to cancel out. Look at that. See, it cancels out. Once again, I'm thinking about trying to teach everybody how to think about this step and predict what's going to happen in the next step. That really can help you in your math. So going back to this step, I multiplied by x and 24x. And then I like to write each single line where only one thing happens. But if you can go from this to this, that's fine. Of course, do it. So here is my fraction here. I should have put that in parentheses. I'll do that in the, it's not working. There we go. I should have put that in parentheses because the way I have it looks like subtract 4, and now we're multiplying, so my bad. So now we're multiplying both by 32 to cancel the 32. And look, I didn't write it I didn't cancel it, but it's this times this is negative 128. And then hopefully by now you're, divide by this. And then I got, we divided both sides by 24. And then I'm going to show you the reducing. I always pick a low number to reduce by because I can do it in my head. I'm lazy. I could have picked 8 as the LCD, but I don't want to take time to find the LCD. I'm just going to divide by 4 because I know 4 goes into both of those. So 128 divided by 4 and that. But this strategy works, but you just have to remember to try to reduce it more and then more and then more and then more. You get in the habit, and then I reduced it by 2, and see, I can do that in my head. Boom, there we go, negative 16/3. If you have when you're working on problems in this class, the fraction, the improper fraction, is always going to be the best bet to enter in the answer. Because if you have a number with a repeating decimal or an infinite decimal, the computer will always mark it wrong. So you might not be used to leaving answers in fraction form because 16/3, while it is a number, I can't think of it offhand, but it is a number. You're thinking that. So that is number 7. And I'll do maybe 2 more tonight and then some more the next night. Thanks a lot.